a saloon, with initial capital of just $150,000 raised from family, friends, and local investors who believed in his unconventional vision. The Bank of Italy's radical approach became apparent from day one. While established banks operated from imposing buildings designed to intimidate, Giannini's bank featured long wooden tables where customers could sit comfortably and discuss their financial needs without feeling rushed or judged. He hired tellers who spoke Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, and other languages common in San Francisco's immigrant neighborhoods. Most shocking of all, Giannini personally visited potential customers in their homes, shops, and workplaces, something no respectable banker had ever done. He made loans to fishermen based on handshake agreements, extended credit to small business owners who had been rejected elsewhere, and actively sought out the customers that other banks avoided. His loan officers were instructed to evaluate character over collateral, to consider a borrower's work ethic and reputation in their community rather than just their current assets. Within months, word spread through San Francisco's working class neighborhoods that there was finally a bank that treated ordinary people with respect and dignity. The Bank of Italy's deposits grew from $28,000 in its first month to over $700,000 by the end of its first year. But Giannini's most defining moment came on April 18, 1906, when the great San Francisco earthquake struck at 5:12 a.m., followed by fires that would destroy most of the city's financial district. When the earthquake hit, most banks locked their vaults and fled to safety, leaving their customers without access to their money during the city's greatest crisis. Giannini made a different choice. Racing to his bank before the fires reached North Beach, he loaded $2 million in gold, silver, and securities into a vegetable wagon borrowed from his stepfather's produce business, hiding the money under crates of oranges and tomatoes. While other banks remained closed for weeks or months, Giannini set up a makeshift office on the Washington Street wharf the very next day, conducting business on a wooden plank stretched across two barrels. He immediately began making loans for reconstruction, often with nothing more than a handshake as collateral. When desperate customers needed money to rebuild their homes or businesses, Giannini evaluated their character and determination rather than demanding property deeds that had likely been destroyed in the fires. This bold approach paid extraordinary dividends. While established banks struggled to resume operations and faced runs from panicked depositors, the Bank of Italy gained